Okay, so this one's gonna be on how to be able to fix the folders access denied on Windows 10. And basically what I'm trying to do here is be able to delete some of the Windows apps that are in there. So this one here is kind of difficult, but basically all you would need to do is go ahead and locate it in the Windows apps, and then go to properties, and then go to the advanced. Actually, first go to security, and then go to advanced, and then here, go ahead and click on change, and you want to make sure that your administrator has access to it. And then by doing that, you would just click on advanced and find now. Go ahead and locate the administrators. Would click OK, and then OK, and then go ahead and click on replace owner or on some sub containers and objects. And after that, click apply, and then OK. But one thing also that is important is to replace all child object permissions on that. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what happens if you don't click on that. Everything's fine now. So we click OK, and then OK. We should be able to delete. And some of these we can delete, but there are some that we can't. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you. Let's say I want to go ahead and delete something like there was one that I was looking to delete. It was okay, so this one, your phone, so we're gonna go ahead and delete it. So as you see, this one deletes, but this one gives us basically a box here that says access denied. So we're gonna click on continue, and as you see, we get this message. One thing we can do in this one is go to properties in here, and then go ahead and change. And here we're gonna go to the advanced, find now, and we're gonna go ahead and this time look for the user. And let's see, where's the name? Actually, I'm just gonna go with the users over here, and then click OK, and then just go ahead and replace, and then replace, and click apply. Okay, so let's make sure that under users here, we click on this replace all child object permissions, click OK, yes, and this time it should allow us to delete. So there you go. So if that happens, just make sure you click on the actual folder that you're not able to delete. So I'm gonna see if I can find another one. So I'm gonna go ahead and delete all these Xbox ones. Okay, so that one's fine. Okay, so this one here looks like it's gonna be a problem. So again, we're gonna go ahead and do the same thing. Go to properties, security, advanced. We're not gonna use the administrator because for some reason under administrator, let me see where it's at. Or we'll see if we'll try it again. We'll click on replace, click OK, yes. Let's see, once we do administrator for some reason, let's see if it worked. But yeah, for some reason when you're doing it as administrator, it just doesn't work. So you want to go ahead and instead go with the user. So let's go to the advanced tab, change user instead of administrators. We're going to go with, let's go to advanced, find now, and let's go to users. So just go ahead and locate where it says users for you, and just make sure you click OK on that. OK, and then before we close it, let's go ahead and take replace ownership, but then also replace all child objects. Let's click on that, and then click OK, click yes, and now it should be able to delete it. So there we go. So just make sure you do that for this one if you ever get that message again. So there we go again, not allowing. So one more time, let's see, security, advanced. Let's change it from administrator to advanced, find now. We're gonna go ahead and locate the users again, click OK on that, and then replace ownership and replace child objects, click OK, yes. Okay, and now we should be able to delete that. So there you go, it's gone. So that's how you're able to delete some of these very nasty files and folders that don't want to be deleted even after you give the root directory basically administrator permissions. So that's it for now. Bye.